am back at Village Market. And this is what they do. They have a bunch of food, Portuguese stuff. We used to be over here in the milk section. This is a company that used to be our rival. Arrudas, they're still in business. They beat us. Used to be my family's farm called Pedro's. And then Arruda's Dairy. And Arruda's is the champion. Oh, look, they even have shoes here. Maybe I should try those blue heels. So, there's a bunch of stuff. My brother actually is here getting lunch, so I crept up on him and I was like, can you buy me food too? And he was like, yeah, what do you want? He's over there with his employee. I'm going to get the Brazilian drink that I like. But I'm gonna wait until they finish making the food. This is my favorite one. I also like sumos. These are the desserts I wanna try. Oh, good tiramisu. They have a lot of stuff. Oh, they have the sweet rice. Maybe I'll just get a nata because I love these. Okay, how dope was that? So my brother saved me like probably $18. I got a Chicken Mozambique plate and it comes with fries, rice, and the Portuguese sauce with the chicken. It was so good. And I got a little snack. This is the one that I got. The coconut one. It says Mimos de Coco. There you go. And I got the Brazilian drink like I showed you I was gonna get. So good. As a matter of fact, I have no idea where I'm gonna go to eat this. Came to the boardwalk area. Look at this. I'm going to find a place to eat my food. Found a picnic table. This is my view, y'all, and this is the food. It's Chicken Mozambique, rice, fries. They gave me a ketchup. This is my little dessert, and that's my drink, and this is literally how I think life should be lived, y'all. I won't be able to finish this, but that's okay, because I'll have it for later. Okay, it's time for me to eat my dessert. This is what it looks like. And you bite into it. Yum, yum, yum. So good. Coconut. So the cows got loose and we got some of them back in there, but there's some that went like the other way and we can't find them. My mom's here with her silk pajama shirt. She had to put her jeans on to come outside, and I think it's so funny. These, look, there goes her silk pajama shirt. Oh my god, that is so funny. Look at all these bad little boys who got loose. Yeah, I'm talking about you because you know better.
You have to know where they're getting out.
Where are they getting out?
You have to find out.
How do I put on my light here? Kevin had to give them grain to keep them down here.
There's one more at the top.
Yeah, I'm not going to be able to get her.